quarantine edition. So today we're going to be making Mongolian beef, the copycat from PF Chang's, because that's my favorite dish at PF Chang's. Let's go over the ingredients. So I have some flank steak or skirt steak, flat meat, whichever one you want to call it. I'll show you how to cut that. I have some cornstarch, of course, green onions, some minced fresh garlic and some ginger, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of water, and 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and that's for our sauce. I have some corn oil for frying the beef and some olive oil for the sauce. Oops. And I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is my boyfriend's shirt because I was only supposed to be here for 3 days and I ended up staying here for much longer. So I have some of these pre-cut already, and some of them are, this meat is actually really tender. So you can cut them a little thicker and that's okay. So PF Chang's cuts theirs kind of like that thin, this thick. And then, so what I did was I cut the long strips, and that's going along the grain, and now I'm going against the grain. And I'm just cutting it by the sides so you can get the right thickness you want. And I'm sliding the knife kind of at a bias. And I have about 1.5 pounds of beef. And we'll cut this one in half. So there we have it. So now I'm going to take the beef and the cornstarch and coat the beef. And we're done with that. I'm going to discard this, wash my hands, and then we'll get started on the sauce. Okay, our pot is nice and hot. I'm gonna put some olive oil in there. Now we're gonna put our garlic and our crushed or grated ginger. You can smell the garlic and the ginger. It smells really good. And it's starting to brown a little bit. Can't really tell, but it's a golden brown. And I'm gonna add the soy sauce. The water. I'm gonna stir so we can get the bottom of the garlic and the ginger from the pot off. And then we're gonna add our brown sugar. And then we're gonna let it simmer and reduce. Okay, while the sauce is going, I'm going to fry our meat. Okay, now that I have the wok hot, I'm going to throw in some oil to fry the meat. Now you want to wait until the oil gets nice and hot. I think this is hot enough, so let's try one piece. Yes, and we're gonna do it in batches. Sauce is going, we're gonna let it reduce. Beef is going, and we're gonna flip it. And now that it's nice and brown, we're gonna take it out and then start the process over until we have no more meat. Touch on the sauce. It's like really bubbly and slowly reducing. Well, I'm gonna let it cool down a bit so I can actually see the liquid. Because right now it's really bubbly. I think it's from the sugar reducing. So So here we are, like a lot thicker. And I'm a little bit impatient. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna thicken it with some cornstarch and I'm gonna toss everything into this pan. So I took about a little half spoon of cornstarch and I mixed into this little thing with a tiny bit of water because our sauce is already watery. So I'm making sure this is hot. So I'm gonna pour our sauce in here. And right now I have about half of the pot. And I'm going to throw in our cornstarch. And it's starting to bubble. And I'm gonna throw in the beef. I'm gonna toss it in the sauce and coat it. I'm gonna throw in our green onion. Toss. Just until the green onion is a little bit wilted and cooked. And then we're gonna turn it off. And there you have it. PF Chang style Mongolian beef. And I'm going to plate it. And then we're going to taste it. Okay.
This is all it goes.
We're gonna have Alec try it. He's gonna be our taste tester.
I'm down.
There you go.
This is like the best job ever, just in case you're wondering. Oh, awesome.
Yummy.
Not gonna go on my room high, right?
Yeah.
With the bowl.
Yep. Okay, see you later. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Alec approves. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe and share on your social media. See you next time.